Hello YouTube, I'm here to show you this quick little Grand Theft Auto video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a BullDozer. I love just driving this thing, I really do. So what you want to do is that you want to open up your map and you want to look for an area that looks like this right here. Hold on, you probably can't see that whatsoever since I'm recording on a phone. But, see where my player icon is? That's where you want to head, where my player icon is. Or just generally in the area. After you head there, on whatever vehicle you pick, I picked the, whatever vehicle, you will end up at a construction site. Keep looking around, you'll find the BullDozer. And I sadly have to break its window, which damages the vehicle technically. It was never yours in the first place. You know what? Just go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Sorry about that. I had no clue he was going to do that, and now I have the cops on me. Now I don't. Anyway, like I said, you have to sadly break it open. I wish you didn't, but that damages it technically, so you have to, and you can't put it inside a, or drive it into a Los Santos, Customs. I've tried it. Now, interesting things I want to mention about the BullDozer. It's really slow. It's just completely slow. I mean, on the bright side, I mean, you can control the bulldozing part, so you can just... I'm carrying this fence with me. No, this is what I love doing. I could flip cars. On. Now, you cannot turn while the bulldozer head, I guess it's called, is down. So if you put it down, you cannot turn. Or you can, it's just very hard to. But this is what I love doing. Come at me, car. Come at me. See what I got. Boom. I totally didn't kill him. His own car did. This thing is just so fun to mess with. And boom! Flipping cars. You got a problem? I'm still dragging the car with me. That's nice. Hold on, sir. I need to flip your car. Or crush it, depending on which one I want to do first. Probably crush it, because I just did. You can also kind of like crush stuff too with it, just... Oh, let me flip it back over for the kind man. The guy here is probably dead. Oh gosh, it's about to blow up. Yeah, I'm just backing up from that. Waiting for the fireworks. Hold on, I want to flip the tractor. Flipping tractors. Yeah. Okay, I gotta back up real quick. That thing is about to explode. Come on. It's gonna explode. Come on. I know it will. And that tractor guy is gonna attack me too. Flipping people as well can work too. No. He's getting closer by the second. I can't stop him. Flipped him, yeah. Where'd the car go? The car is gone now. The car that was on fire is now gone. That's very strange. It must have despawned. Let me... I want to show you another fun thing to do with it, and this guy's gonna help us demonstrate it. Depending if he wants to still be alive or not. Okay. So, I can... Nope. 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 Okay, then that's not gonna work. I'll just use a deer or something, I don't know. Don't sue me. Don't sue me, remember, it's just a video game. Yeah, animal isn't it's not a real animal. I mean, it is a real animal, but whatever. Yeah. Anyway, that's how you get a BullDozer. Yeah, this video was kind of unplanned, to be honest. It was just something that popped in my head. Hey, maybe I should show people how to get BullDozer. Hey. So, like I said, this thing has its ups and downs. It's up as well, you can literally flip stuff. Like a pancake. The down is, it's just incredibly slow. I'm just smashing it. It's literally raising me. Come on! This is the best you got! I wanna flip this car right here, the one that's trailing the boat. I wanna flip your boat. Can I flip the boat? No, dang it. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Can I flip this car? Whee! Finish! It's about... all these cars explode really easily. Uh-oh. Well, I guess this is where my video ends. No. My BullDozer. If you're jealous, it's your problem. Is that ever gonna explode? Hold on, wait, I'll help this I'll help this explode. Wait, hold on. Wait. Camera's acting weird. I mean, I'm trying to fix my camera. There. Okay. Hold on, I can help this explode. I just need a cheat activated. Right, X, A, left, RB, RT, left, right, LB, LB, LB. I always do cheats wrong because I'm that smart. Right, X, A, left. Computer, don't shut off on me. Right, X, A, left, RB, RT, left, right, right, LB, LB, LB. Here we go. Anyway, anyway, that's how to get a BullDozer in this game, and that's about it. Explosive finish. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye! Bye!